Good morning all of you. Welcome to Raajdhani Engineering College. I am Professor Bhubaneswar, Associate Professor in Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today I am going to perform a very beautiful experiment in FEEE lab. FEEE means Fundamentals of Electrical and Electronics Engineering lab. Okay, so today we will do an experiment of FEEE lab. FEEE means what? Fundamentals of Electrical and Electronics Engineering lab. Okay, so this is the first experiment of FEEE lab. So the aim of the experiment is here to determine the value of resistance of a resistor by color code and compare it with multimeter reading. So before proceeding to experiment, we need to understand what do you mean by resistor. So resistor is a passive component which opposes the flow of electric current. And what is resistance of a resistor? Resistance of a resistor is the property of a resistor which opposes the flow of electric current. Okay. So now for this experiment to perform, we need two things. One is a different value of resistors, color coded resistors, and one multimeter, digital multimeter. Okay. This is the diagram of a typical carbon resistor. As you can see that this is the first band, it's called as the first digit. Second band is for the second digit, third band is for the decimal multiplier, and the fourth band is for the tolerance level. Okay. So now let's suppose we pick up a one resistor, suppose this one. As you can see here, in this case, you have here four colors are mentioned over here. As you can see, let me zoom in. So you can see that here four colors are mentioned. The first column, that is, this is your first color, is called as your first band. Second color, second band. Third one is for decimal multiplier. Fourth one is for the tolerance level. Okay. So here, this is the typical diagram. As you can see that first one is the first digit, second for the second digit, third is for decimal multiplier, fourth one is the tolerance level. So last one is the tolerance means what? Tolerance means what? It refers to the allowable percentage deviation between the resistor's actual resistance value and its nominal value, or simply tolerance represents the manufacturer's guarantee of how much the resistance might vary from the stated value. Okay. Now this is the chart table for a color code resistor. As you can see here, we have the heading, that is one is color, other is first band value, second band value, third band multiplier, fourth band tolerance. Now see here, the first band is for the color, you can see it is a brown color. So for brown color, what is the value? You can see 1 value. Okay. So here second is second band, as you can see here, second is a green color. So for green color, you can see the value is 5. And again the third band is a brown color. So for the third one, for brown, where's the brown? Brown, this one, you have the multiplier into 10 to the power 1. So I can write that first one is a brown color, means value is your 1. Second color is your green color. So what is the value of green color? Value is your 5. Now third one is your what? Again third one is your brown color. So what is the value of a brown? Brown value is your into 10 to the power 1. So value is 150. Okay. And the last one is what? It is, you can see clearly, it is a gold color. So for the gold color, what is the value? You can see here, for the gold color, the value is plus minus 5%. Plus minus 5%. So this is the tolerance value. You can see here. So value is okay, 150 ohm. 150 ohm plus minus 5%. Now we got the value of this resistor as through color coded, that is a 150 ohm plus minus 5%. Now we will cross check it by using your digital multimeter. Okay. So now you will use a digital multimeter to measure the value of this unknown resistor. Okay. So before using this multimeter, just do one thing, set to 200 ohm. As you can see, I have set the multimeter to 200 ohm. That means it can measure any value below 200 ohm. Okay. Now just take the resistor and you can just use any of the probe terminal to any of the terminal of the resistor. Okay, as you can see clearly, I'm just making the, okay, right, now you can see that yes, so it is showing 147 approx, 147 ohm. So it is showing us 147 ohm. So it is nearly approximate to 150 ohm. Okay, so why the difference? The difference due to this tolerance value. Okay, so now our experiment is successfully completed. We have conducted the experiment by first using the this color coded graph method, and next using your digital multimeter method. Now see that there is a trick. I have provided a trick, that is to remember this color coded method. Okay, it is very difficult to remember the color coded and its value individually. So there is a trick to remember the sequence of color and its corresponding values. So the trick is that BB Roy, good boy, very good worker. It means B is for black, again this B is for brown, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for blue, V for violet, G for grey, W for white. So BB Roy, good boy, very good worker. You can remember this trick and you can remember its corresponding color and its corresponding values. Okay, thanking you all.